my dear student, welcome to my channel Study AJ. Today we discuss how to divide decimal number by other decimal numbers. At first we discuss the rules of division with the help of an example. Here you can see 3.64 you need to divide by 1.4. Here I am putting make. This is, you can see, 1.4 is the divisor and 3.64 is the dividend. Now rules putting here: make the divisor a whole number by moving the decimal point. So this is then divisor and this is dividend. Now you make this is in denominator and this is in numerator. This denominator you have to make a whole number. How can you make it? By multiplying by, if you multiply by 10, 1.4 into 10, then you get a whole number, that will be 14. If you multiply by 10 in denominator, you have to multiply in numerator also by the same number. So multiplying in denominator by 10, you have to multiply by 10 in numerator also. According to the rule number 2, move the decimal point in the dividend the same number of places. So it will be same number of places. Multiplying both side, denominator and numerator by same number, you get the same value. So number 3, rule number 3, division. Next step, your division. You 36.4 you have to divide by 14. Now you directly divide 2 14s are 28 and remainder 8 and put the line up the decimal point in the quotient with the decimal point in dividend. So you need to line up decimal, so it will be 4 and this now continue. So line up the point here and here, remainder 8 and 84, 14 6 are 84. So using these steps you can divide the decimal numbers by other decimal number. Now I am going to discuss a few problems so that you can understand better. Now taking one problem from your book. Here you can see number 1 problem, 0.00000684 by 0.04. So according to the steps already told you, so here 0.000684 and in denominator 0.0. This denominator you need to make a whole number. How can you make? If you 0.04, if you multiply it by 100, then you get 4. So then when you multiply by 100 in denominator, then you have to multiply in numerator also. So multiplying by 100 in numerator, it will be 0.00684. Now direct division. First putting here divided by 4 and is not divisible by 0 0 0, you need to line up the point here, and 6 here you get 4 ones are 4, 2 remainder here, and 8 will coming down, and 28 7 4s are 28, and 4 will coming down, 4 ones are 4. So answer will be 0.00171. I hope understand the problem. You can take the screenshot of the problem. Next problem. Next I'm putting here 3.154 by 1.25. So same steps you need to follow here. This denominator make a whole number 1.25. If you multiply by 100, it will be 125. In numerator it will be 315.4. Now 125 divide 315.4 by 125. You need to divide by 125. So here you can say 2 times putting 125 into 2, it will be 250, and remainder here 65, and 4 will coming down, and 5 125 is 625, and here remainder 29. And for these points you repeatedly you can put zeros, and it will be for this point 0 will coming down, and 250 3 times 2 times here 5 times, 2 times 2 putting here 2 times 2 2 into 125 250, and 40 will be the remainder, again 0 will coming down, 3 into 125 375, and here remainder 25, and 0 will coming down, and 250 getting here 250 to 125 into 2 is equal to 250. Here you are getting the answer 2.5232 will be the answer. You can take the screenshot solution of the problem. Now going to next problem. Now you need to divide 0.00805 by 0.007. How can you divide? So use the steps already told you. Divisor, this is in denominator, make the divisor a whole number. Number 1 rule, if you multiplying by 1000, it will be 7, and you have to multiply in numerator also, then it will be 0.805. now direct division, long division method. Here line up the point here, and 8, you get 8, 7 ones are 7, 1 remainder, 0 will coming down, and 1 7 ones are 7, 3 35, 7 5s are 35. I hope you understand the problems. Thank you watching my video.